Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix RedNote app not opening. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if the RedNote app here is not opening, there is something that you can still do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the RedNote app. So you want to go open up Google Play Store here if you install this on Google Play Store. And in here, you want to search for RedNote, and if you do see any update button, go ahead and click on it and wait for the update to complete. Well, once you've done that, go ahead and click on Open, and see, again, if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing you want to do here is you want to clear your cache. So, in this case, you want to press and hold on the app itself. I'm going to click on the eye icon at the left side, and you want to go ahead and click on the clear data at the bottom right here, and click on clear cache, and OK. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next best thing that you could do here is you want to uninstall the RedNote app here and reinstall it again in your device. So sometimes you might have an incorrect file within the RedNote app, so sometimes reinstalling it again can solve a lot of issues. Now, and finally, if none of those actually work, well, in this case, there might be some server problems with the RedNote app here. So we all know that RedNote app here is gaining some popularity, and a lot of users are starting to start using the app itself. So sometimes it might be encountering some server problems, so that's why it's not opening. But yeah, so you just need to wait for a few minutes or even an hour and see if that actually solves any issue, or if they actually solve the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.